In this video, let's discuss the power of purpose. Having purpose in life is extremely powerful. There's something that we see in people who live a very purposeful life. They walk with power. They have that confidence. They have that assurance. They have that strength, how they just hold themselves. And you can see behind all actions, you can see that there's something behind all that action. What is it? What's behind all the doing? It's the purpose. It's the why. It's the why are they doing what they're doing? If I don't know why I'm doing what I'm doing, then I'm very unconscious to the reasons why I'm doing things. I seem to just be doing things for no reason, no care about them. And it's always going to feel like I'm just kind of, flip-flopping back and forth to certain things, just dabbling, always kind of doing circles, feeling very lost. So that purpose gives me a sense of fulfillment, because with that purpose, I can now create an impact. And when those things are working together, I've got a purpose, I'm creating impact, I'm seeing the impact, I'm feeling more fulfilled, I'm helping others. See, it doesn't really matter what you're doing. More important is why you're doing. Why are you doing what you're doing? Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you experiencing life? Why are you living life? What's the purpose to your life? Once you start asking this, then you can start uncovering it. And this, you can say, is what's also known as your dharma. Your dharma is like your big purpose of why you're here. What sort of kind of theme or mission are you living out that's in service to others, that's creating a positive change? What is that? And you'll find it's very powerful, because then you wake up every day with that sense of purpose. And it's that sense of purpose that's behind every single action. It's like if we're on a journey, the journey's called life, and you have a sense of purpose. Every step on this journey, you're stepping with purpose. It's a purposeful step. You know why you're stepping there. You know why you're taking the next step. You know why you're taking the next step. There's this purpose behind everything that you do. And it's with that purpose that seems to keep you pointed in one direction. When you have a sense of purpose, you're not going to waver side to side. Oh, I'll try this. Oh, I'll try that. I'll try this. It seems to give you that anchor. It seems to ground you. And that purpose, other people can feel it. It might feel like confidence, enthusiasm, charisma, passion, any of those things and more. But it's always you know why you're doing what you're doing. And it's that purpose that gives your life a greater sense of meaning. So you've got this purpose, you've got a greater sense of meaning, you're creating a greater impact, you're creating more fulfillment. It's that purpose. And that purpose the why am I doing what I'm doing, it can also make you very present. Because you're not really, like I said, it anchors you here and now. You're not really like getting lost in the future, and you're not stuck in the past because you're focused. You're focused on your purpose. My purpose for the video is to empower you. What are we talking about here? We're talking about the power of purpose. See, so the video started off with a purpose. And that purpose for this video is also the purpose for the business, for the coaching program. And this video is just something that I'm sharing that's an extension of that. That's an expression of that purpose. And what you'll find is when you actually start having that purpose behind what you're doing, whatever you're doing, people can feel it more because they're feeling that purpose behind it. There's more energy behind it. It resonates with people. It like penetrates them deeper. It resonates with them deeper when you've got that purpose behind what you're doing. Without that purpose, you seem to be just kind of dabbling, and it's like your heart's not into it. But when you put your heart into something, when you put your heart into all your actions, people can feel your heart behind it. They can feel that the video is coming from the heart. That's actually what I do. It just starts off with a purpose. Whatever the purpose is just serving you. The purpose is serving you. And whatever I say, it's coming straight from my heart. There's nothing written. I don't even know what I'm going to say. I just read a video title, The Power of Purpose, and here we are talking about the power of purpose. There's nothing planned. It's coming straight from the heart. It's a pure heart that genuinely wants to serve. And it's the fact that I want to empower you. That's the only purpose behind it. And then we're talking about different things in this video, the power of purpose, other videos, perhaps the power of gratitude, the power of the present moment. I've made other videos, but it was always about what was the purpose of those videos. The purpose was to empower you. And you'll find that when you can make that purpose, like I said before, about serving others to enhance, improve, to better their life and make a positive change in the world, that is also aligned with your unique talents, gifts, skills, this is when you can only create the biggest impact. It's like things really line up. You've got some natural gifts, some natural talents, some great skills, amazing abilities, creative capabilities, some sort of capacity, abilities to help. So you have all those things. And there's people that need to be helped. There's people that need to be served. So you can line up your passion and that purpose with those skills and abilities and gifts that you have. And that's when, if you can just line them up, you can drive all that purpose through your passion and serve using your natural abilities and talents and offer that gift, that unique gift that you only have to others in a way that improves or enhances and transforms their lives. And it's only when those things are lined up that you can create a massive impact like that. And when that's happening, you're actualizing your potential. You're reaching your potential. And that's how powerful purpose is. So if you haven't asked yourself, why are you doing what you're doing? Or what's the meaning behind this life? Or why am I even here? Or why is it doing this? Why am I even doing this? You'll see your mind kind of throws you some kind of crap answers. I'm doing it for the money. People who do things for the money, they don't really do anything great. Money is a consequence of providing value to people. Providing value to people requires some sort of purpose. So again, when you focus on the why, that's behind the what. What am I doing? You become more powerful. Whatever you're offering has more power to it. It can impact people greatly because there's power behind it. That's why it feels like it really penetrates them. It really resonates with them deeper. It's because there's power behind it. And that power is in the purpose.